Hi, this is a tutorial on how to visualize our geodata. So the output of this tutorial should look like this, a map where you have data points, and when you hover on each data point, you should get an information on each data point. In this case, the names of persons who are in these locations all over the country. So next, let's go to Google Drive and create our input forms for our datasets. So let's click on New, Google Forms, and let us use a template called Contact Information. And this contact information will ask for names, addresses, email addresses, etc. So we just remove email for the purpose of this tutorial, as well as phone number and comments. So this will leave us with a basic requirement of name and addresses. But for your purposes, you can add additional information that you may need from your data sets. So next, we remove the vulnerability of this form from spam by incorporating an anti-spam feature. So xfanatical.com gives us a script, this one, CAPTCHA for Forms script, that when you download and open with a notepad, should incorporate a CAPTCHA in our form. So, assuming we've downloaded this form, this script, and open it in Notepad, we go back to our form and then click on the three dots here and click on Script Editor. Now, from the Script Editor, we delete the predefined script or predefined script function, and then paste here the script given to us by xfanatical. Wait, there you go. And then save this one, call it CAPTCHA. Okay, now we go back to our form, refresh, and this should provide us with the add-on icon. There we go. Click on CAPTCHA and click on Start. There is an authorization required. Don't worry, just give this script the authorization required for us to get the CAPTCHA. Don't be alarmed on the warning that it is unsafe. Just go to CAPTCHA and then click on Allow. Okay, so click again on our add-ons, CAPTCHA, Start. That should open a CAPTCHA window on this side. Running script, and there you go. We just turn on the enable CAPTCHA, and that should give us this one. So this code changes every minute. This assures us that the persons who are entering data into this form are humans and not bots. Okay, so let's go to the live form, and here you can enter your sample data. So in my case, let's place my name and a location. Oh, there we go. And our CAPTCHA, and click submit. Okay, I did not type in my CAPTCHA correctly. 01 Yes. Is that a zero or no? There you go. Okay, going back to our form, we should have one response. And then let's open this one in a spreadsheet. Okay, so we should have this data for now. So I'll just add more sample data here to have our visual presentation later. Okay, so we have 7 data points here for sample data to give us a visual information all over the country. So how do we go about it? We go to Google Data Studio at datastudio.google.com and click on blank report. Then Data Studio will ask for our source data, which is our contact information. So Data Studio will give us a preset data presentation, which we do not want. So we just delete it and just click on add a chart. And this is what we want. Google Maps bubble map. So let's set this here and make it bigger. So next we have to place our fields. First we have address to the location dimension. And it should give us this one. So we have our data points all over the country. Next, let's place the name field in tooltip. So there you go. We have this one. And then under style, you want to change this to from silver to, let's say, dark. So under dark, it should look like this. If we change it to standard, it's more appealing this way for me. So we view this here, and there you go. You have your data points, or 7 data points, and when you hover on each point, that should give you information, in this case, names on each point. So that's it. Thank you for watching.